In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Squarespace directly, without YouTube in 2023. We're going to upload a video straight to Squarespace, place it on your page, and fine-tune the playback settings so it behaves exactly how you want. This is great for hero sections, background-style visuals, or anywhere you want a clean, ad-free viewing experience without relying on external platforms. Start by opening your Squarespace site and navigating to the page or section where you want the video to appear. Enter Edit Mode, hover over the area where you'd like to place it, and click Add Block. From the block menu, choose Video. Squarespace will insert a video block placeholder. Click directly on that placeholder to open the video options, and then choose Add a Video. You'll see options to upload or select from your existing library. Click Select from Library if you've already uploaded the file before, or click the Upload area to add a new one from your computer. After selecting your clip, you'll see a preview populate in the block. If you happen to land on the YouTube or Vimeo option, remember that we're uploading directly in this tutorial, so go ahead and cancel that and return to the upload view. Back in the video settings, you may notice a note stating that advanced video settings are only available for uploaded videos, and that autoplay requires mute to be enabled. That's normal browser behavior, and it helps ensure videos start smoothly without sound. Turn on mute video first, then toggle autoplay to have the video start playing automatically when the page loads. If you want the clip to repeat, enable loop video. Decide whether to show player controls based on your design goals. Hiding controls can look cleaner for a background or banner, while showing controls can improve accessibility and give visitors more control. Take a moment to review any highlighted options in the panel so your video fits your layout and design. When everything looks right, click Save to publish your changes. A few quick tips to make this work even better. Shorter videos load faster and loop more seamlessly, so consider trimming to the essentials. Compressed MP4 files encoded with H.264 or H.265 usually deliver good quality at smaller sizes. For hero sections, a wide aspect ratio helps avoid letterboxing. And if you reuse the same clip across your site, adding it to your library once and selecting it from there keeps things consistent and saves time. That's it. You've uploaded a video directly to Squarespace, configured autoplay, looping, and controls, and saved your page with a clean, professional